thank you from the bottom of my heart for coming, making time, believing that this was worth it. I promise you will have a good time. You guys excited? People say, I want to be faster at balayage, I want to be faster at foiling, I want to be faster behind the chair. The only way to make you faster is to have a clear map.
What Sophia brings into her classes is new techniques mixed in with some of the basics and really makes sure that you as a stylist feel confident.
She is a very real person, a real educator.
This technique, you can apply it to anybody. Put highlights in their hair and let their natural negative space grow in.
She really brought a lot of life to this class, made education fun for all of us.
You know, you have that client that loves coming into you and they feel super pretty and they bounce out of the salon. That's the client you should name your technique after.
Her balayage techniques were awesome. Her personality is equally awesome. So thank you for teaching an old dog a new trick.